Good, how are you? Oh, he's in handcuffs. Damn. I wonder why. Oh, maybe no plates. Damn, that sucks. Yeah, did he give me a little look? I don't know. You see it, Los Angeles police. They're probably talking on radios and stuff. Like, who's he? I don't know. No way, you know him? Do you know this dude? We're checking him now. Seeing if he has anything in his pockets that might hurt them. What happened? Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
What happened?
Huh?
How you doing?
Hey, what's up? How are you?
I'm good. What happened?
No, I said, what's your name?
But where's your body cam?
My body cam.
Whoa, champ.
My body cam is dead.
Oh
The battery
no.
ran out.
Champ.
Yeah.
What happened?
What happened just now?
No, to the body cam.
Oh, my body cam ran out of batteries. My partners have their body cam on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is he? What's going on here?
No, it's just a warrant.
It's a what?
Warrant arrest.
Warrant?
Yeah.
Why was he pulled over?
No place.
Oh, no place.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's all. I like that hat,
You do?
dude. Yeah.
Melon brand.
That's what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm about to check it out.
But so what's up with the body cam though? Could I see it?
No,
Did you go grab it?
Mine's is at the station on the charger.
Oh.
Yeah.
How long does it usually last for?
These are different, man. Like, there's different brands of
But the one you
body-
have.
I don't know. Sometimes it goes. It goes about 4 hours.
4 hours?
Yeah. I know mine's have, but a lot of people have been having problems with that one, with this particular type.
What's the brand? Do you
I
know?
think this is WatchGuard. WatchGuard.
Watch guard?
Yeah.
But they have them on.
There's
That's
the
the kind you have on?
Yeah.
That's the kind?
Yeah.
And it goes on automatically
It
or?
goes on when you hit the light, and so once it syncs to the car,
Oh, okay.
if you turn on the lights, the camera's cut on. Or if you're away from the car and you hit the button, the camera comes on, and the camera on the dash comes on as well. Yeah.
And does it go a couple minutes before or something?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Have you been with was it UCLA?
UCLA.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. Like 15 years.
Whoa.
How long you been doing this?
Doing what?
Filming. I know you're not just filming.
I don't know, a
police.
couple
You probably-
minutes.
You probably film like other stuff too. You film your dudes like skateboarding and stuff like that too.
No, I just skateboard.
Oh, okay.
No, just the police. Since
Yeah.
the recent stuff going on and the videos and
No, yeah.
so I just feel like it's a civic duty to just transparency. What if
No, you right.
his boy comes and mows those two down? I'm the only one filming.
And I appreciate that.
Yeah.
You're looking out for us, but you're looking out for the
people.
community as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
But that's cool. But you know what? That's what it's about. We're all part of the community. It's not us versus them. We're all part of the community. And I think I
Are you?
appreciate you. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. Those that do their job right, yeah.
Now let me ask you a question though. What happens when you see one of your partners doing something they shouldn't
Then
be
you should call
doing,
them
right?
out on it. That's exactly what we've been taught in the academy, and that's exactly what we should do.
And
now.
you don't ever get reprimanded for that?
No. And those that do, you know, that's sad that they get reprimanded for calling somebody out for doing the wrong thing when we're supposed to be doing the right thing. So,
And you've only been with that department though?
yeah, I've only been with this department.
Okay. That's fair.
Yeah.
What's the biggest case to come out of this department? Biggest arrest?
I don't, you know.
Since you've been there?
Since I've been there, I don't really look at them like that. I mean, it is what it is. I don't really.
there's no like there's
I don't
no
really discuss
not like a personal one, but I'm saying in the news or like what you guys caught, some high profile.
A lot of the times, usually what you see up on where you see in that area, I mean, you probably saw it on the news. We were looking for a sexual assault suspect. And we ended up catching that person.
Was that recent?
That was recent.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, thank you though.
I'm a
Right.
Yeah.
So he's gonna have to go to jail.
He'll be but it's usually what happens now. People tend to get cited out. They'll get a citation.
Oh, he'll be able to get let go.
He'll either go with us, and we'll take him to the station. He'll get cited out from the station and then released, or we'll field cite him if we get approved. We'll field cite him, and he'll get a citation here and released.
That's ideal, right?
You would think, yeah.
Because it's like, sometimes shit happens, but it don't mean you're a violent, crazy, you know what I mean? It's like,
you're right.
Go home.
Yeah.
Like,
Either way,
it.
he gets to go home. So
yeah. Oh, that's
he's not going downtown.
But the car's gone?
Nothing like that. Yeah.
Fuck. I feel you. All right. Thanks, bro.
Be safe, dude.
Yeah, you too, though.
Thanks for what you do.
All right, I appreciate that. Thank you, G. Bye.
Good day.
You too. He was cool. I don't know. He was alright. I'm freezing. I'm about to hop off. Much love to you all. Be safe out there. Woo!